Still here, still stupid. I told my homegirls I deleted your number, but it's the safe stuff that don't answer with a heart. I be scrolling through old shit when I'm tipsy, laughing at the lies, crying at the parts that were real. I hate that I miss how you used to hold me down. Hate that my skin still waits for you to come around. I'm trying to move on, sweat, I'm trying to move on. My pussy still answer when your name come on. I can still taste you when I lick my lips, still feel your hands when I touch my hips. You ain't here but you still fucking my head. Still taste you, still taste you. I should hate you, should really hate you by now, but I'm playing your voice on repeat somehow. Still taste you, still taste you. In between, yeah. I've been putting in work, trying to forget your smell. New perfume, new fits, no stones I'll tell. But the second I get quiet, it all comes rushing back. Your tongue on my neck like a permanent tag. Todavía siento tu boca, como cierro los ojos. Tu nombre me quema, aunque ya no estoy contigo. Digo que te odio, pero miento en silencio. Mi crepes te recuerda, aunque ya no te veo. No digo ya basta, pero vuelvo a caer. Tus aguas se quedan, no me dejas correr. En la oscuridad sigue siendo el dueño de cada rincón que dejaste viendo. I can still taste you when I lick my lips, still feel your hands gripping on my hips. You ain't here but you still on this shit. Still taste you, still taste. Don't quit, porque sigue viviendo dentro de mi garganta. Cada vez que respiro tu nombre se levanta. Te fuiste a pedo, dejaste la puerta entreabierta y yo sigo entrando aunque sé que me quema. Quiero borrarte pero mi cuerpo no entiende. Cuando me toco es tu nombre que enciende. Dime que no vuelo, que sé que es mentira, porque en cada rincón todavía te respiro. Why you still there, rent free in my mouth? Why I still would stay inhaling and touching myself soft? I don't want closure, I just want one more night to feel like I'm losing and winning at the same time. So if you ever think about coming back, don't know, just like I can still taste you when I lick my lips, still feel your hands gripping on my hips. You ain't out but you still own this shit. Still taste you, still taste you. Quit. Go